All right, let's look at this rational example, this rational function as we try to graph it. Now, obviously, the first thing to do is to try to factor and cancel anything out. It does not. So I know my domain is just going to be x's that are not 3, because that's what makes the bottom 0. And I'm not going to have any holes because nothing canceled out. Now, x-intercepts, recall, we're trying to make the top equal to 0, so we're trying to find out what makes 5x minus 2 equal to 0. So add 2, divide by 5, that is going to be 2/5, comma, 2/5, 0. So a point really, really, really close to the y-axis. So we'll put it, I don't know, we'll put it right here. Now y-intercept is what makes the, when you put in 0, so f of 0. So that's going to be 0 minus 2, which is negative 2, over 0 minus 3, which is negative 3, so 0 and 2/3. So I could put that point up here, so really close together. Vertical asymptotes, what makes the bottom equal to 0, so that's x equal to 3. So at 3, we have a vertical asymptote, so we can kind of start to see what this looks like. And then finally, we have a horizontal or slant asymptote. And remember, that's based on the degree. So the degree of the top is 1, and the degree of the bottom is 1. So we just divide the leading terms. So 5x divided by x is just 5. So we have a horizontal asymptote, no slant asymptote, of y equals to 5. So when I do this, you'll start to get a pretty good idea of what our graph looks like. Because I know it has to go through those 2 points and approach the asymptote. And so it'll come up here and kind of approach it there. And it'll do the same thing up here. I encourage you to graph it on Desmos just to verify, but the graph would look something like that.